Hi all, welcome to Cook with Kim. In today's video, we will be making a homemade beef burger with potato wedges as a side dish. We'll start with preparing the vegetables by washing and cutting them into small pieces. So we're now going to add the spices into our minced beef. These are general spices, but feel free to add a little bit more should you wish to. As you're mixing the minced beef, you'll notice the mixture is quite dry, but don't worry because we're going to add some mush into the minced beef now. We're now going to blend all our cut up vegetables to get the mushed paste that we need to add into our minced beef. After a few minutes of blending, your vegetables should look like this. Add the mixture into the minced beef and mix very well. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil into the mixture should you wish to. This is not necessary as the mince itself has its own oil. I'm now going to add a little herb into the mixture, but please feel free to use whichever one you have in your house. We're now going to shape our burger and I'm going to use my hand. If you've got a shaper to use, feel free to use a shaper. So I'm going to roll into a small ball the size of a lemon and then squeeze down. So continue the process until you finish the content, or ideally until you've got as many burgers as you wish. With this mixture and with the size I've done, I've ended up with 6 beef burgers. So now we're going to cook the burgers. The burgers can be fried or can be grilled in the oven. I'm going to grill the burgers in the oven. We're now going to prepare our potato for cooking. So cut your potato in half. Cut the two half in half again. Turn the quarter around and cut in two. Repeat the process until you finish cutting all your potatoes. We're going to add a little spice into our potato. I'm adding a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and a little bit of herb if you've got any. Feel free to add whichever spice you want to add. Drizzle a little oil just to make sure it's not too dry as it's going in the oven. I'm going to transfer the potato into a bigger cooking dish. This is to ensure that it's spread out nicely and it's cooked evenly and crispy so it's not soggy or stuck together. Halfway through the cooking, take the beef burgers out, turn it slowly using a fork, taking care that the burgers don't fall apart. Take the potato out, drizzle a little bit of oil, turn the potato, spreading it evenly again and put back in the oven. After an hour, the burger should be cooked, but you can leave it in a little longer should you wish to have it well cooked. We're now going to decorate, add some salad, sauce, should you wish to, and decorate the burger however you like to decorate it, adding what you want to add into it. So I hope you guys like this tasty burger. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment and share, and I'll see you next time.